If you're looking for an affordable laser engraver that you can use but not break the bank, watch today's video. We have one for you. You can say that I'm laser engraving obsessed. We have done project after project after project, and we are super grateful for ATOMSTACK to have us try out their A10 Pro machine, a fantastic machine, and we've been using it for dozens and dozens, probably hundreds of hours, different projects, and it really works well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the features of the machine, but then we're going to give you some ideas of things that you can make out of the machine, and it's really simple and straightforward and does a fantastic job. So watch on and I'll show you how. What we really like on this machine is you can save your project to this little thumb drive, and in the thumb drive is a little card. After you save it off of your laser Gerbil or your Lightburn software, insert the little card into the front screen. Then you can control the machine from this screen. It doesn't have to be hooked up to your laptop. Another thing we love on this machine is the stop button. You see something going awry, it's not lining up correct. All you have to do is hit this button and it instantly shuts down the machine. We really like the laser head on this one. Easy to move up and down. They suggest dropping it down to the width of one of these acrylic pieces away from your project. Super handy. They include one of those in the machine. So there's really not much that I can tell you other than this is a fantastic machine. So I'm just going to have different clips that we've been doing on projects over the last few weeks. And to prevent the scorching look, when I cut out an item, I have this one set on hardwood. I have it reduced though to 50% power. I set it to run for 4 times and then look at it, and I'll probably do one more time after that to make sure that it went all the way through. But as you can see, it's nice and clean with no scorching on top. I find it better to cut on one of these like honeycomb mats. I'll have the link down below of the mat that this is. You can also use the ATOMSTACK to cut out leather. I have this set on the hardwood setting. You just have to run it multiple times based on how thick your leather is. The ATOMSTACK machine makes a fantastic burn on leather. I'm loving how this ornament's turning out. Lining up an uneven project is a challenge, no doubt. So this log has highs and lows, so I have it wedged all over the place. I have a piece of tape marking the center. I have my laser pretty close to my lower left, and so if you're using laser Gerbil, at this point hit focus, and the laser focuses, and then hit frame, and then you start adjusting your wood to be even with your design. So you can see the little laser going there. So just eyeball and keep moving your wood until that laser, which is marking the design area, is where you want it to be. Again, hit focus, and then frame. And you can do that a couple times. And then I hit center and see how close I am estimating to the center of my design. So a couple of tips. I'm getting ready to engrave this tumbler, and it's round, so your design area can only go at the break of the cup. We can't be engraving over here. And typically they have a logo. So I have a little soap line marking the center of where I want my design, and I've put tape on the edge so when I frame this, I can see if I'm in my design area. And also you're going to want your cup level. This tapers down. So I have some plumber's putty. You can use anything, but plumber's putty keeps it nice and gripped for me. And so I'm just going to lay it on there. And I have it on a metal cutting mat. So as I'm lining it up and everything, I can just move my mat around instead of the mug. So I'm going to get this centered up to the top. I'm going to measure the width of my tape here, which it looks like it's right at 74. So I'm going to make my design a little bit narrower than that, and we'll line up the project. Frame it and tweak it as many times as you need. I think I probably framed this 10 or 12 times, adjusted my height several times, but you only get one shot at it. So take your time and do it, but I think we're ready to go. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. Remember to subscribe because we really are enjoying doing the laser engraving, and we have bunches of videos in mind for you.